Hello students, I am Ritu and today we will study about triangle and its properties. Sometimes students are so much confused about triangle, about its different types, about its properties. So, in this video, we will study about all these concepts. To understand the topic properly, watch the video till the end. In this video, firstly we will study about triangle, then classification of triangles, after that median of triangle, altitude of triangle, exterior angles of triangle and its property, angle sum property of triangle, triangle's inequality, right angle triangle or Pythagoras property. Triangle. Here the word tri means 3. So, a triangle is defined as a plane figure bounded by 3 line segments. A triangle have 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles which are called parts of a triangle. A triangle is denoted by a symbol this. So, in given triangle ABC, the 3 vertices are A, B and C. The 3 sides are AB, BC and CA. The 3 angles are angle A, angle B and angle C. Classification of triangle. We can classify triangle on 2 bases. First is on the basis of sides and other is on the basis of angles. On the basis of sides and on the basis of angles, there are different types of triangle. On the basis of sides, there are 3 types of triangle. First is scalene triangle, second isosceles triangle, third equilateral triangle. On the basis of angles, there are 3 types of triangle. First is acute angle triangle, second obtuse angle triangle, third right angle triangle. On the basis of sides, first is scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle in which all the 3 sides are in different lengths, means unequal, and all the 3 angles are of various measures. स्केलीन ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड्स की लेंथ अनइक्वल होती है और तीनों एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट भी अलग होता है, बट द सम ऑफ ऑल द इंटीरियर एंगल्स इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle which has 2 equal sides. Also, the 2 angles opposite to the 2 equal sides are equal. Isosceles triangle में 2 sides equal होती हैं और उन 2 equal sides के opposite angle भी equal होते हैं. Just like angle B is opposite to angle side AC and angle C is opposite to side AB. Here AB and AC are equal, so their opposite angle, angle B and angle C will also be equal. It can be seen by another example. In a triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC are equal, so their opposite angle, angle B and angle C are also equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle. The triangle which has all its sides equal in length is called an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle की तीनों sides की length equal होती है, because here equi plus lateral. Equi means equivalent and lateral means sides. So it is also called an equiangular triangle because equi means equivalent and angular means angle. Here all the angles are of measure 60 degree. इक्विलेटर ट्रायंगल में तीनों साइड्स की लेंथ भी इक्वल होती है और तीनों एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट भी इक्वल टू 60 डिग्री होता है. It can be seen by an example. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR, where PQ, QR and PR are the sides of triangle. Angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R, that are 60 degree. So, this is an equilateral triangle. On the basis of angles. First is acute angle triangle. A triangle whose each angle is less than 90 degree is called acute angle triangle. Here, angle A is less than 90 degree, angle B is also less than 90 degree, angle C is also less than 90 degree. Another example, in triangle ABC, angle A is less than 90 degree, that is 40 degree, angle B is less than 90 degree, that is 75 degree, angle C is also less than 90 degree, that is 65 degree. So, this is an acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. One angle is greater than 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90 degree. Here, angle B is 110 degree, that is greater than 90 degree, and other two angles, angle A and angle C, both are less than 90 degree, that are 30 degree and 40 degree. So, this is an obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is 90 degree and other angles are less than 90 degree. Each is called right angle triangle. Here one angle is 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90 degree. In triangle ABC, one angle B is 90 degree and other two angles, angle A and angle C, both are less than 90 degree. So, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Median of a triangle. A median of a triangle is a line segment by joining the vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to the vertex. Means जब वर्टेक्स से कोई लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ की जाए और वो अपोजिट साइड को मिड पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करे तो वो लाइन सेगमेंट मीडियन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC and A is the vertex of triangle ABC. Then line segment AD is a median. Centroid of a triangle. We can draw three medians in a triangle by taking midpoints of the three sides. Also, three medians of a triangle intersect each other at a point. This intersecting point is called centroid. एक ट्रायंगल में तीन वर्टेक्स होते हैं और तीनों वर्टेक्स से तीन लाइन सेगमेंट मीडियंस की ड्रॉ की जा सकती हैं बाय टेकिंग मिड पॉइंट, और वो तीनों मीडियंस जिस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे वो इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट सेंट्रोइड होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC, thus AD is median, and E is the midpoint of AC, so BE is median. F is the midpoint of AB, so CF is median. AD, BE and CF meet at the point G, this point. So, G is centroid. Altitude of a triangle. An altitude of a triangle is a line segment obtained by drawing a perpendicular from a vertex to opposite side. जब वर्टेक्स से अपोजिट साइड पर कोई परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया जाता है तो वो लाइन सेगमेंट एल्टीट्यूड होती है. एल्टीट्यूड कैन बी outside or inside the triangle. And in acute angle triangle, just like this, altitude will be inside the triangle. But in obtuse angle triangle, altitude will be outside the triangle. So, in triangle ABC, AD is altitude from vertex A on BC. Now, we can draw three altitudes in a triangle from each vertex to its opposite sides. Orthocenter of a triangle. A triangle has three altitudes that meet at the orthocenter. एक ट्रायंगल में तीनों वर्टेक्स से तीन एल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ किए जा सकते हैं और तीनों एल्टीट्यूड जिस पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं वो ऑर्थोसेंटर होता है. एल्टीट्यूड्स जहाँ पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं वो ऑर्थोसेंटर एंड वेयर मीडियंस इंटरसेक्ट दैट विल बी सेंट्रोइड. So, in triangle ABC, all the altitudes meet at the point O, so O is the orthocenter. Exterior angle of a triangle. In triangle ABC, whose side BC is produced up to D, then angle ABD lies in the exterior of a triangle ABC. So, it is called an exterior angle of a triangle ABC. Exterior angle triangle के बाहर लाई करता है. Here, angle BAC and angle ACB are interior opposite angles of a exterior angle ABD. These are the exterior angles, angle ABD, and this angle is also exterior angle. This is also an exterior angle. Interior angles are inside the triangle. Here, these angles are interior angles. So, exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. Means जो exterior angle होता है वो इसके interior opposite angles के equal sum के equal होता है. So, exterior angle ABD is equal to interior angle BAC plus interior angle ACB. Now, the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle and any polygon is always 360 degree. Here, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 360. Sum of all exterior angles of a triangle is equal to 360 degree. Now next is angle sum property of a triangle. In it, the sum of the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. We can prove it. In triangle ABC, through point A, draw a line DE parallel to BC. Now, DE parallel to BC and AB is transversal where angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. Now, DE parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So, angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Alternate interior angles. Now, we can see that since one angle and angle 4 and angle 5 form a linear pair, that make a linear pair. So, we always know that linear pair, sum of all linear pair angles is always equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Here we can replace angle 4 by angle 2 and angle 5 replaced by angle 3. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. That are the angles of a triangle. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So we can say sum of all the angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. Now next is triangle inequality. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. एक ट्रायंगल की दो साइड्स का सम थर्ड साइड्स के से ग्रेटर होता है. जस्ट लाइक इन ट्रायंगल ABC, BC is equal to A, AC is equal to B and AB is equal to C. Then A plus B is greater than C. Just like that, B plus C is greater than A and C plus A is greater than B. Right angle triangle or Pythagoras property. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of base and perpendicular, that means altitude. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Means राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर परपेंडिकुलर के स्क्वायर और बेस के स्क्वायर के सम के इक्वल होता है. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम is applied only in right angle triangle. Here we can see another example. Here this side is B, that is A and that is C. Here hypotenuse is C, so C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now chapter at a glance. Quick review. A triangle whose all sides are unequal is called scalene triangle. A triangle whose two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. A triangle whose all the three sides are equal and all the three angles are equal called equilateral triangle. A triangle whose each angle is less than 90 degree called acute angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is greater than 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90 degree, each is called obtuse angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is of 90 degree and other angles are less than 90 degree, each is called right angle triangle. An altitude of a triangle is a line segment obtained by drawing a perpendicular from a vertex to opposite side. And median of a triangle is a line segment obtained by joining the vertex to the midpoint of the side opposite to the vertex. Altitude and median दोनों में केवल यही डिफरेंस है कि एल्टीट्यूड वर्टेक्स से अपोजिट साइड पर परपेंडिकुलर होता है और मीडियन अपोजिट साइड पर मिड पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है. नेक्स्ट, एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स. द सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज 180 degree. In an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal in length. Each angle have measure 60 degree. In an isosceles triangle, two sides have equal length. All angles opposite to equal sides have equal measures. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the base and perpendicular. Thank you.